Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry headlights. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely before you begin. It's also a good idea to consult your Toyota Camry's owner's manual for any model-specific details or warnings. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, open your car's hood and carefully locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. Depending on your Camry model, you might find a few clips or screws holding the assembly in place. Gently remove these fasteners, setting them aside in a safe spot so they don't get lost. Once the assembly is loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. With the electrical connector detached, you can now carefully remove the old headlight bulb. This often involves a gentle twist or unclip motion, so be mindful not to force it. When handling your new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Instead, hold it by the plastic base. Now, firmly insert the new bulb into its socket, ensuring it's seated correctly and securely. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed bulb, making sure it clicks into place. Carefully guide the headlight assembly back into its original position and secure it with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and stable. Before closing the hood, turn on your Toyota Camry and test both the low and high beams to confirm they are working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.